Okay. Okay, go. Oh, the bird! You guys scream. Jojo, scream.
Scream at the bird?
Scream! Ah! Johnny! Scream, baby! Scream! They're attacking us!
Oh my gosh, look how close they are. Donnie, you gotta check this. Oh, Donnie, you gotta check this out. Oh. Put your shade down. In your eyes,
Oh my God!
I'll save the rest for you guys.
Look,
There's not very many left. Here you go.
You know how many bags, how much of that bag? That was like half of the bag. Oh, dude, they just dropped They dropped the bomb over there.
Where?
On the water.
Over to the right.
Oh, dude!
Check it out! Why?
You dropped the bomb right on his head. Oh, man.
He didn't kill it, no.
That's gross.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's done.
Don't touch it!
Oh.
Oh, it was like weird, bro. That was actually kind of cool.
They're not done yet, look.
These guys are missing your legs. Right there.
Forget about Bodega. Forget about Bodega Bay.
Alright, I'm getting scared now.
Where's your hat, man? Where's your hat?
Ammo.
That was close.
Nobody needs Bodega Bay. It's all about Millerton Lake and the birds.
That's
Okay,
amazing.
Don, I think it's clear now.
Yeah. Clear down.
No, stop.
He's afraid of the birdie.
More birds this year.
You just gotta jump in and watch off. That's all.
Heck no. Hey, Jojo, I think you got bird crap on your glass.
I probably did. I wouldn't believe. Or as long as I know I'm good. I'm
Let me
good.
see, babe. Let me see your hat.
You good? Yeah, let's do it. Do the check. Well, that would have definitely looked good on that guy.
I'm good.
Uh-oh. You're going to get all stored up again. Woo!
He's trying to get one. He's got a net out.
Look at him following that boat. Look at that.
You see him?
He's gone.